Alright, before I dive in, if you want a sweet discount or a special offer, smash that link in the description below. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. Okay, let's talk newsletters. You've probably heard of Beehiiv and Revue, right? But which one's actually worth your precious time? Let's break it down in a way even your grandma could understand. First up, Beehiiv. This platform is like the Swiss Army knife of newsletters. You get powerful segmentation, advanced analytics, a super clean editor. It's built by folks who actually know newsletters. Some of them even worked at Morning Brew. Yeah, that newsletter you see everywhere. Now, what about Revue? Revue's owned by Twitter. X. It's got a simple drag and drop editor, and you can literally import tweets straight into your newsletter. If you're a Twitter power user, this might be your jam. But let's get into the nitty-gritty. Beehiiv gives you custom domains, referral programs, and even built-in monetization tools. Want to grow your audience and make some cash? Beehiiv's got your back. Revue, on the other hand, is all about simplicity. It's easy to use, integrates well with Twitter, and lets you charge for newsletters too. But if you want fancy features like segmentation or deep analytics, you might feel a little left out. Pricing. Beehiiv's got a free plan, but if you want those premium features, you'll need to shell out a bit. Revue is mostly free, especially if you're just starting out. But keep in mind, Twitter's been, let's just say, unpredictable lately. So, which do I pick? If you're serious about growing and monetizing your newsletter, Beehiiv is the powerhouse. If you want something quick and easy and you're a Twitter addict, Revue's your low-effort buddy. Alright, decision time. If you want to check out these tools and maybe snag a discount, click the link in the description below. Your future newsletter self will thank you. Catch you in the inbox.